Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to iEmmaus Health and Wellness Hub. Today we're diving deep into the amazing world of flax seeds. These tiny little powerhouses pack a serious nutritional punch. We'll break down the incredible health benefits, explore different ways to incorporate them into your diet, and answer all your burning questions. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, this video is for you. We'll uncover the secrets of flax seeds and how they can help you live a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so they too can unlock the power of flax seeds. Let's get started. Alright, let's break down the nutritional profile of these incredible seeds. First off, flax seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Now, our bodies need omega-3s for a ton of functions, from heart and brain health to reducing inflammation. But wait, there's more! Flax seeds are also bursting with fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This dynamic duo works wonders for your digestive system, keeping things running smoothly and helping you feel fuller for longer. And trust me, a happy gut equals a happy you. And if that wasn't enough, flax seeds are a top source of lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Antioxidants, as we know, help protect our cells against damage from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to aging and disease. We're talking about a triple threat here: omega-3s, fiber, and lignans, all working together to support your overall health and well-being. It's like having a tiny army of nutrients in every serving. Stay tuned as we explore the specific health benefits of each of these amazing nutrients found in flax seeds. You won't want to miss it. Let's talk about heart health, something we should all be mindful of. Flax seeds have been shown to have some pretty incredible benefits for your ticker. Remember those omega-3 fatty acids we talked about? Well, they play a key role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in your blood vessels. And less inflammation means a lower risk of heart disease. But it doesn't stop there. The soluble fiber in flax seeds can actually help lower your cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so incorporating flax seeds into your diet can be a game changer. Imagine giving your heart a little extra love with every spoonful of flax seeds. And the best part? It's a completely natural and delicious way to support your cardiovascular health. Stay tuned as we uncover even more incredible health benefits of these tiny but mighty seeds. Chapter 3. Good digestion, good mood. Flax seeds to the rescue. Let's be real for a second. Nobody likes feeling bloated and uncomfortable. That's where flax seeds come in, acting like a superhero for your gut. The fiber in flax seeds, especially the insoluble kind, adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Think of it like this. Flax seeds are like tiny brooms, sweeping through your digestive system and keeping things running smoothly. But it's not just about regularity. A healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system and even improved mood. That's right, a happy gut can lead to a happier you. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive health and boost your overall well-being, look no further than flax seeds. They're like a gentle nudge in the right direction for your gut, and trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now let's move on to another amazing benefit of flax seeds. Weight management. Chapter 4. Conquer cravings and manage weight with flax seeds. Trying to manage your weight can feel like a constant battle against cravings and hunger pangs. But what if I told you that flax seeds could be your secret weapon in this battle? Remember that amazing fiber we talked about? Well, it also works wonders for weight management. Fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. This means you're less likely to overeat and more likely to stick to your healthy eating goals. Plus, flax seeds are relatively low in calories, so you can enjoy their nutritional benefits without derailing your calorie intake. It's like having a little helper that keeps you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your weight management journey, give flax seeds a try. They're a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet and can help you achieve your weight goals while enjoying all the other amazing health benefits they offer. Chapter 5. Easy and delicious. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet. Alright, now that you know all about the incredible health benefits of flax seeds, you're probably wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. The good news is that flax seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to add to your meals and snacks. One of the simplest ways is to sprinkle a tablespoon or two of ground flax seeds into your morning smoothie. They blend in easily and add a boost of nutrition and a slightly nutty flavor. You can also add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or even your breakfast cereal for a fiber-rich start to your day. If you're a fan of baking, flax seeds make a fantastic egg replacement in vegan recipes. Just mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. This flax egg can be used in muffins, cookies, pancakes, and more. And don't forget about salads. Sprinkle some flax seeds on top of your greens for extra crunch and nutrition. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy the nutty goodness and health benefits of flax seeds. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Unlock your health potential with flax seeds. So there you have it, folks. We've unlocked the power of flax seeds and explored their incredible health benefits. From boosting heart health and aiding digestion to supporting weight management and providing essential nutrients, flax seeds are a true nutritional powerhouse. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so they too can experience the amazing benefits of flax seeds. Thank you for watching iEmmaus Health and Wellness Hub. Stay healthy and see you next time.